Welcome back to our channel, everyone. I'm Dan, and I wanted to give you an update regarding the Visible Party Pay that I spoke about in the Visible review a few months ago. I've been getting a lot of questions on both the remarks or comment section and some direct messages regarding how to get the $25, because every time they get into it, they get an offer for $20 for the first month, and it goes up to $40. Well, that's true. You've got to learn how to do the visible party plan, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that your first month. So your first month is only going to be $20, and then after that it's going to be $25 in after that. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make all those savings coming up shortly. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to join Visible Party Pay using Reddit, and that will save you the extra money to join a party, become a fourth member, so where you're only paying $25 a month. Just go to your regular search engine and go ahead, type Reddit Visible Party Pay. And the first one that usually pops up is Visible Party Pay by Reddit. So go ahead and click on that. And this is the Visible Party Pay on Reddit. The first few posts are posted. They're tagged up there that explains the Visible Party Pay, how that particular page works on Reddit. And you'll see different posts listed below. For example, here, they didn't really specify anything, but they got 2 spots available here. They need 1 more here. Space for 1 more person, 1 long-term person available, 2 spots available. Really, all you have to do is choose one that you'd like. Let's go ahead and show you how this works. So I always look up for 1, because that's what you'd like to join. And if you go ahead and click on the link that they show there, you'll notice that you're not taken to another site. You're taken to the Visible website itself. And here's where you either have to create an account, or if you already have a Visible account, you can use that when you join. Okay, as we noticed, even though it's still listed in Reddit, they already filled that party up. So let's go back to that page. Here's space for 1 more person. Let's take a look at this party. Okay, looks like this party is full as well. Let's go back. See what other ones. 1 long-term spot available. These do fill up quickly, so it's really easy to be able to fill up a team of 4 within just a matter of a day or even a few hours. Sorry, this party is full as well. All right, let's try another one. Need 2. Here we go, let's see. Oh, this party is even full. All right, need 3 people. Okay, so he just started this, and you can see Samuel, and it's got 3 empty spaces here. So now the thing is, when you join a party, the other members of the party don't actually know your information. All they'll be able to see when they go into their account is the other members that are in your particular party, and you'll see their first name, their area code, and the last 4 digits of their phone number that signed up, but all the information is listed below. Again, when you sign up with Visible, you're signing up directly with Visible, and they will be billing you. They don't bill, you don't get information on the billing of the other members of your team. and all you would do is go ahead and request to join that particular party if you want to join in. Now, if you want to create your own party, one example, an easy way to do that is we'll go back up to one of these that was already full, but you can start a new party here. And then you, of course, you would sign into your visible account, or you would create an account, and then it would give you a link to which you could actually go back to Reddit and do the same thing. When you go into Reddit, you can actually go ahead and create your own post. And again, the directions on how to do that is here in the beginning, the message by the moderators for the Visible Party Pay site. So that is basically how you join another Visible Party Pay team, even if you don't have other members to join you specifically. And again, as you can see in here, one party member had been going strong, but one person just dropped out. Do expect that to happen. In my party for over a year now, it has not happened, but in case that does, it's really easy to go back on Reddit, tell them you need one more member of the team, and usually that fills up within hours after posting, making a post. So it's really easy to keep your $25 a month rather than pay any more than that. So I hope you enjoy. If you do have any questions, go ahead, put them in the comments below, and I will go ahead and answer them as soon as I can. Well, I hope that cleared everything up on how to get your visible service for $25 a month using the Reddit Visible Party Pay page, where you can actually look for a place to join in on a team before, or also build your own team if somebody drops out. So I hope that saves you a lot of money. Again, we use our Visible 100% of the time in here. We don't like the Wi-Fi that's in the campground. We didn't really like the Verizon MiFi that we already had and paid, so we even stopped subscription on that. But I'm also looking into alternatives in case your Visible just doesn't work anymore. So be on the lookout for future videos once I do some more research. Until then, $25 a month is not bad. So if you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel, and also just go ahead and hit the notifications button so every time you get a new update, and it could be a visible update, you'll get notified and you can go ahead and watch that video. All right, take care. Thank you very much for being one of our subscribers, and we'll see you in the next video.